Welcome, I'm filming a Samsung Galaxy A22 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. Now to get started, pull down the notification panel and locate the toggle, which for me is right over here. And to enable it, or well, to actually set it up, first you will want to hold it. Now I do warn you, Samsung is one of those companies apparently that just throws logic out of the way. So for instance, you have a flight mode on, you can't even access the settings for the hotspot. So if getting this pop-up, that's why they just disable the airplane mode basically. Why they're blocking it from even going to the settings, it's beyond me. But once you disable it, you can actually access it. There we go. And you access that, as you can see, by simply holding it. Now in here, probably the most important thing to change will be the password. By default, it's just going to be some trash password. So let's just select configure and then tap on it. And you can completely remove it. Now your new password will need to have 8 characters in length at least. Now those characters can be whatever you want, numbers, letters, combination of those two. It's completely up to you. Also, you can change the name of the network while you're at it if you don't like the one that is right here. So you can shorten it, completely change it, do whatever you want. And then at the bottom we have the AP band, which is between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. So you can choose whichever one you want. Now, generally 5 gigahertz will be better, faster and more stable of a connection. The downside of it is not every device will be able to connect to it, meaning the older devices from like 20, for instance, 15, probably lower, will not be able to probably connect to it unless it's like a flagship, or actually maybe even further back. It really depends if your device that you're trying to connect to it had support for 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now, if you're not sure, what you can do is turn it on, and once you enable the hotspot and the device that you're trying to connect to it does not see your hotspot at all, that means that it doesn't support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and all you need to do is go back here, drop it to 2.4, and the problem should be resolved. Also, we have advanced, so a couple different toggles which you can change. So set it up the way you want it. From there, select save to save all the changes that you have made, and you can now enable it either from here, like so, or by also tapping on the toggle right here, but it is already enabled. Now additionally, as you see in the pop-up, it does use or turns off your Wi-Fi to broadcast the hotspot. And what it basically does is uses your mobile network from your provider to broadcast that signal from your provider through Wi-Fi. That's why you can't use Wi-Fi during this time. Now once you disable your hotspot, it will turn back on your Wi-Fi and everything should work just fine. So that is how you would enable it, set it up, and also turn it off. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.